Hey there, JD and FIA. I want to show you a 251 you can do with your left hand to close out a song. I played in the intro several different styles of song to show you that this can pretty much work on anything. This is similar to the 251 I showed in the 1 #1 2 5 chord progression. All right, so let me go ahead and jump right into it. We're in the key of C. All right, C is our 1, D is our 2, E is our 3, F is our 4, G is our 5, A is our 6, B is our 7, and we're back to C. All right. The progression is going 2, 5, 1, essentially. All right. So 2 is going to be my D, 5 is going to be my G, and 1 is going to be my C. All right. The chords that I'm playing, first I'm playing a D minor 7 chord. Left hand. All these chords are in the left hand. D, F, A, and C. Next, I'm going to play a D minor 7 flat 5. To do that, all I'm going to do is move the A down to A flat. And that's going to give me a D minor 7 flat 5. All right? D, F, A flat, and C. Then I'm going to play a G7 sus. I have D, F, G, and C. To get there, all I did was move from the A flat to the A. So only thing I'm moving is this 2 finger here. From A flat, G, all right? And then from here, I'm gonna move the C, which is my sus in the chord, move it down to B, which is the third of G, all right? Move it down a half step, and it's gonna give me my G7. D, F, G, and B. And then I go to my C major 7 chords, C, E, G, and B. So you have D minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, G7 sus, G7, back to C major 7. For the melody, I don't know. I just make up something. All right, just made up something there. All right, so as you can see, it pretty much works with anything. You can time it how you want to fit whatever song that you're playing, whatever melody you want to play. So yeah, 2-5-1 in the key of C, left hand. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.